Good morning! It's snowing in Spain. Right, check this out. If you come to Spain, you might think it's going to be warm weather. Have a look at this. Well, that's way too windy, but it was snowing 5 minutes ago. Check it out. It's definitely snowing now. What? Can you see this? I wasn't planning to film at all today, but it's snowing in Spain pretty heavily. Look at that. It's crazy. Thought about coming here for some warmer weather compared to England. Wow. There you go, now I'm filming you.
No.
It's crazy. My nan says she's lived here for about 15 years, right?
Yeah.
And never seen snow.
First time in 50, well, maybe longer, but first time she's experienced it.
This really is a bit of a freak snowstorm. It's still coming down really heavily, but I want to get out and try the drone. I want to try and like get somewhere in an open space and film this snow. So I'm just hoping that it settles a bit. It looks like it's going to, and I'll go out and get the drone out. About to go out for a walk now into the snow. Let's have a look. Whoa, okay, it's still snowing, and whoa. And it's really not often it happens here, so we're gonna go out and check it out. Stupidly, I left all of my warm clothes back in England. I was coming to Spain thinking it was gonna be warm. I was wrong. And this is kind of everything I have to go out into the snow. Apparently in some areas in the south of Spain, it's the first time since 1993 that it's settled and snowed like this. Some of the photos of the beaches this morning are crazy. Look at that. What do you think?
It's great.
Beautiful.
Amazing. Snow in Spain in January. Wow.
Woo! I was planning to get my drone out because it stopped snowing and that was a chance to come and get it up in the air, but now it has started coming down heavily again, so it's so cold. I'm gonna head back to the house now and hopefully get it out later. Okay, well, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get the drone up in the air. I've waited and I've waited, and it's gone between snow and rain, and the sun's setting now, and it's still snow raining. It's really weird how quickly the weather's changed here. If you consider the weather yesterday was like this. And today, it's a freakish snowstorm. Never would have expected this in the south of Spain, in Murcia, but yeah. I wasn't planning to film at all today, that's why this video is kind of shorter. I just thought I had to, considering this is happening, and it's not that normal. I was hoping for some warmer weather. I didn't get it. Not today, at least, anyway. Apparently there's going to be more snow tomorrow, so I'll find out. Just came out into the cold to do this outro. If that's not commitment, I don't know what is. But for now, I'll just say goodbye. And I know I said previously that this video would be a Q&A. That'll be the next one now, so check back for that. But for now, thank you for watching, and this is my life.